Hi, in this video we're going to explain how to create online assignments on Classera. After signing in to your Classera account, select your course. I'm going to use Computer Grade 7. I'm going to have the assignment on week 4, so click week 4 and scroll down for the assignments. Here we're going to select add. We're having two steps for creating the assignment. One, creating the assignment itself, then adding questions to the assignment. So for step number 1, we need to create the assignment. Add a title for your assignment. We're gonna make it, for example, assignment 4. The publishing date will be the date that students will be able to see the assignment. Due date, the date for submitting the assignment. Cut-off date. If you need to give your students like 2 or more days after the due date to submit the homework, you can add a cut-off date. If you select specify publishing date later, okay, we can set the publishing date, the due date, the cut-off date after adding questions, okay? We will select specify publishing date later, and after adding questions to our assignment, we will be back to the assignment again to set the publishing date, the due date, and the cut-off date. From grade category, you need to select one of the categories we're having here. It will be homework. The preparation week will be displayed by default as week 4. If you need to write any comment for your student, make sure to write them here. Assignment password, private, share questions only to school group question bank. The 3 of them are how would you like to share your assignment on Classera. If you need to have a password for your assignment, so no one will be able to answer your assignment without the password, or you can share the assignment only with GHIS question bank, or you may select to have your question as a private question. Okay, then the correct answer. If you need to show the correct answer after submission, select the second option. If you need to share the correct answer after the cutting off date, select the last one. If you don't want to share the correct answer even after the submission date, after the cut-off date, select don't show correct answers, okay? If we selected randomized question order, each student will have a different order for the questions. Allow multiple submission. If we selected allow multiple submissions, you're giving your students a chance for submitting the homework more than one time. According to the number of submissions you're gonna enter here, you can enter 2 or 1 or 3 as you like. Okay, we're gonna make it only one submission. If you need your students to attach any file to the assignment, make sure to select allow attachments. If you need to have a different mark for the attachment other than the original question, make sure to set a final mark for the attachment. It will be 5, for example, and then send notification email to student. If we selected send notification, after publishing the assignment, Classera will send a notification email for students that they have an assignment. Here, publishing 2 sections. Okay, I'm going to select the 2 sections and click create, or you have the option to select a group of students from any class A or B and so on. Okay, back to publish 2 sections. It will be published to, I'm gonna make it 7A only and create. Now we created our assignment, okay? We need to add a question to the assignment. Here I have no questions added, okay? If you add a question before, it should be displayed here. Here we have different options for adding questions to our assignment. From here, add new question. From the drop-down menu, you can add a new question to your assignment: true or false, MCQ, an essay, matching, fill in blank, and multiple select answers. From add bulk core question, you can add different questions at the same time. For example, I'm going to add an multiple choice. Okay, here I have questions. Can select one of them. Okay, here we need to add the question itself, and in the mark we need to add the grade. Okay, in the options we're going to add the choices. Okay. After adding the choices, I need to select which is the correct answer from the option 1, 2, or 3, or 4. The correct answer is 4, and we're going to add another one, true or false. Here we have the mark, again it's for 1, and the question, okay, and the correct answer is false. We can add an essay question from here. It equals 3 grades, okay, and it will be write down different output devices. For the correct answer, we may add answer will be corrected by the teacher. Okay, create question. We need to add actually, if we didn't add a correct answer for the essay question and we click create questions, we're gonna have an error message, no correct answer found for question 3. So we can type as we did. The answer will be corrected by the teacher. Create questions. Now we're having our questions displayed here, okay? If we click here on preview, we can view how they will look like to the student, how the assignment will look like to the student, how they will see the assignment. Okay, they can see the assignment except for the correct answer. Only the correct answer is displayed for the teachers. You can click here to edit your question. Okay, back to the question list. If you need to publish now, you can publish now, but we need to wait until we're sure 100% everything's fine with our questions, with the list, with the spelling. If you need to add any edits after publishing, you cannot do any edits with the assignment or with the questions. From here, add questions from public question bank. You have like a public question bank. You can select any type of question and add the question to your assignment. Okay, and clicking one of those here, the question will be displayed here. Click on edit assignment. Remember, we didn't add the publish date, the due date, the cutoff date. Now you can add your publish date. Okay, for example, we're gonna make it tomorrow. It will be published on 9 a.m. 9:30, and the due date will be 17, okay, at 11, and I don't need a cutoff date, so clear, there is no cutoff date. They need to send the assignment on date. Okay, Okay, then we're going to click approve changes and the assignment will be published. To find your assignment, if we are in the home page from grade 7, click next, next again, online assignments. Here we have our assignment, the title assignment 4, it contains 3 questions. Here we have the published date and the due date. From here we can edit or delete, preview. Okay, here we can see the assignment. Remember, students cannot see the correct answer, it's only in the teacher's view. And from here they can upload any attachments. Okay, back to questions. We can see the questions here. If we need to edit any of them, you can click edit. Okay, and edit whatever you want. Back to home. I have already created assignments for grade 8 and grade 9. Students start submitting their assignment. I got 17 submissions from grade 9. To view students' submissions, you can click the second tab here, and from new submissions you can view a list of students' submissions. Here we have a student name and his section, his grade 9A or grade 9B. And here we have the date of submission, when did student submit his homework. And to view the assignment, you can click here. Okay, here we have the same details we had at the previous page. Here we have a student name, assignment title, submission date, and if we scroll down, here we have the instructions of the assignment. Here I wrote them to watch the video and the link, and then download the attached Excel sheet, rename the Excel sheet and answer the calculation in the sheet. Then they need to re-upload the sheet to the assignment. If we scroll down, okay, we can download the attached sheet from here, download, and here we have the downloaded sheet. Thanks for watching.